Hello guys, my name is Sangwin and today I'm going to show you few tips and tricks about the VS Code that will help development faster. So if you like VS Code, you're gonna love it now. So let's get started. So in this video we are going to see few extensions that will help you coding as well as increase your productivity by some extent. So let's start with the first one. Now the first extension I will recommend is Prettier. Now who doesn't like a good code? This extension allows you to format all the JavaScript related stuff. For example, JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, SCSS, HTML, Angular, JSX as well as JSON. So if you are a JavaScript developer, you will love this extension as it is. So whatever you want to do, for example, you want to format a certain amount of code, so just you can configure this extension by the shortcut, and if you click that shortcut it will automatically gets formatted. For example, like this, it automatically gets formatted. So the second extension that I will prefer is bracket pair colorizer. So what it does is, when we code we have a lot of open and close brackets, so it sometimes it is difficult to distinguish between them. So what it does is it will pair all the open brackets with the closed brackets with a color line. As you can see, the blue line is available here, so you can easily distinguish which closed bracket belongs to which open bracket. For example, if I go down and click on this, it will show us in yellow color that this open bracket belongs to this closed bracket. So this is also a very good JavaScript extension that you can use. The third plugin that I will like to share is ES7 React Redux GraphQL React Native snippets. So this has a lot of snippets available for us to use by shortcut commands. For example, if I need to import something from a module, then I will need to type imp and enter. It will automatically give me this whole sentence. There are various types of shortcuts available that you can use. For example, if I need to create a function, anonymous function, then we can directly get this command, and if I press enter it will automatically give me that function that is available. If I want to import something from a module, so I'll do imp and enter, so it will automatically complete that sentence. So this is also a good tool to use. Next extension is Git Lens. If you use GitHub or Bitbucket, you can directly see all the commits in the file itself. As you can see, I have committed these changes as initial commit 19 days ago. If someone else have committed their changes, you can see their name here, the time they have made those changes, as well as name of the commit. You can also see the current changes as well. For example, I changed this 5 minutes ago and these are uncommitted changes, so I can directly see them right here. So this is also a good tool for GitHub and Bitbucket user. Writing comments just got better. Better comment extension allows you to format and write good comments that are human friendly and readable. You can see the example here. So this extension allows us to write alerts, queries, to-dos, highlights, as well as few styling that you have to put. Now these colors can be configured in the extension settings. So if you want to write comments that are human friendly, you can use this tool. So next extension is auto import. Now whenever you want to import some modules or files, it is hard to write the full path of those files directly into your code. So this extension allows us to automatically find the files in the current system and automatically import them. For example, if I need to import environment file, then I can just go this and directly add those file into my import. So this is also a good extension to use. Now this extension colorize is not mandatory but good to use. So as you can see, whenever you type a code name, it will automatically give it a color background. So if I go here and type background color as blue, it will automatically give it a background as blue. So whatever color you are writing, it will automatically display it as a background color. So this is a good extension to use, but also not mandatory. So this next extension is ESLint. So ESLint allows you to make a good and more consistent code, avoiding bugs and warnings. So if you write JavaScript or TypeScript, this is also a good tool to use to avoid errors in compilation. Next VS Code extension is Live Server. So this allows us to create a live server whenever whichever file we want. So as the example shown below, it will automatically create a live server on port 5500. So you can directly click on a file or project and directly go live. So it will automatically create a new server and open it into the browser on port 5500. If you are working with HTML files, that is a great tool to use. Now, if you are a JavaScript developer, you know the pain of writing console log every time you need to debug your JavaScript. So this extension makes debugging much more easier by the automating that. Now, if you install this extension and press Ctrl Alt and L, it will automatically give you the console log written with the selected variable. Let's demo that. For example, I have title variable here. If I need to console log this, I will type Ctrl Alt L. This will automatically give us the console log written directly. Now you can configure this message as per your convenience in the settings of console log. So this will give the path of this variable as well. For example, this exists in the component app component, and in the constructor we are writing this variable name. So component method name as well as the variable name. This makes it search for it in the browser very much easier, and writing is also very easy. So this was it from my side. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep sharing. Thank you.